Hello everyone, it's Miss Sabrina Zhang. After the game we have played, I think most of you now know what does congruent means. Okay, so if we have two figures are congruent figures, that means that they have same shape, same size. Okay, so including the length of the figures and also the angles. You may now take 1 minute to finish the question 1. So in this question 1, you need to check if the two figures are congruent figures. So you have 1 minute. You can pause the video and finish this within 1 minute. So let's check the answer. This is yes. So here, this is also yes. Although the orientation is different, but actually you can rotate these figures in the same orientation as the figure on the left hand side in this way, and you will check that the shape and then the size are also same. So this one obviously this is no, because the length of these two sides are different. So similarly, this is also yes, but remember you need to rotate it in order to see if these two figures are matched. Okay, so let's focus more about the triangles. So in the following chapters, we will focus the most basic figures in the world, which is the triangles. Okay, so here we have, if the two triangles are congruent, it means the sides are equal. Means all the three sides are equal lengths. Okay, so which is AB will be same length as PQ, and length BC will be equals to the length of side QR, and lastly for the length AC will be the same length as the side PR. So we have same size and as well as the angles, because if the shape are also equals, then the angles are equal. So angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and lastly we have angle C equals to angle R. So if the two triangles are congruent, then their size and angles are also equals. Oh, sorry, there's a typo. I should cross this out. Okay, so let's take a look at the instant drill number 1. So here we need to name a pair of congruent triangles which is the congruent to XYZ. Okay, so we need to name the triangle. Which triangle is congruent to XYZ? As we know, if they are congruent, so means the angles and also the size, that they are all equals, equal angles and also equal size. So let's take a look. So this is triangle XYZ, which is the triangle on the left. So triangle X, which is, let's take a look at X, which will be the same side as the angle L. So we can write down X is corresponding to L. Similarly, angle Y is congruent to angle N. You see both angles are 90 degrees. So if we put Y here, we will put N here. So for the third angle, angle Z, you can see they have the same marking. Same marking means they are same angle. So angle Z, which is corresponding angle, angle M. So that's why here, if you know if they are congruent, then you can follow the order XYX to becomes XYZ to becomes LMN. You can see I do the same order: X, Y, Z, L, and M. So besides checking their angles, we can also check their size. You can see we have X, Y, then Y, Z, then ZX. So L, N, N to M, then M to L, which is L and M.